In this lesson, we'll learn how to preview and publish a prototype. To preview, click the play button in the upper right corner of the toolbar. This opens the prototype player, which was introduced in previous lessons, so we won't go into detail here. During the prototyping process, we can use the player to preview our work continuously. To configure preview settings, click the Publish menu and choose Preview options. In the pop-up window, we can set whether to open the prototype with the Pages pane visible and choose which browser on our computer to use for viewing. We'll select Safari, click the Preview button, and see that the prototype opens in Safari with the Pages pane closed. To publish the prototype, click the Share button. In the pop-up window, we can choose to publish to Axure Cloud or locally. We'll choose to publish locally and set the local path. We check Open Browser after publishing, and after a successful publish, the prototype opens in the browser. Returning to the local folder path, we see an index.html file, which, when double-clicked, opens the default page of the prototype player. Page1.html represents the specific page, and when opened, it displays without the pages list on the left. The additional generated files and folders contain all necessary web files for the prototype. We click the Share button again and select Publish to Cloud. We set the Axure Cloud path and access password. Then click Publish. After publishing, clicking the link opens the prototype on Axure Cloud. Here we can add comments to the prototype, and toggle options like Link to Current Page, Pages pane open, Embed access code, and Comments open. As we adjust these, the link updates accordingly. In the Publish window, we can configure which pages, notes, interactions, and fonts to include. In the Fonts tab, we can add more fonts by linking to a CSS file or using add font-face code. In font mapping, we can set the target font to map to a specific font in the prototype.